unlike ordinary cars, which have just got one wheel at the corner of each of the car bodies, the cars that make up the train here have got lots more wheels. And although it may not be obvious, there's a wheel on top of the running rail, there's another wheel underneath the running rail which stops the train lifting up vertically, and then there's a wheel on the side of the rail. At each of the four corners there are these three sets of wheels, so that the train is guided completely down the roller coaster track and doesn't fall off either sideways or come off on the tops of the hills when it goes into negative G.
If I'm not in the first car, I'd like to know why.
We will wait and see. I might be sick of it by then. Going over the top the first time, sitting in the front seat, yes, absolutely. Because it does scare the pants off you. I mean, that's the whole point about it.
You go from being heavy, 4G, to nearly weightless very quickly, and it's going to be thrilling.
D-Day, 0700, 11th of May, 1994. Daredevil John Lane is the first human to ride the world's tallest roller coaster. Then it's Mr. T's turn. His moment has come.
Systems go. Have you got your heart monitor?
Yes. It's racing already.
I think roller coasters are just fantastic. They really are. The exhilaration of them is fantastic. The sheer thrill of them, the height of them, everything about them. It's a sort of lets the spirits free, as it were, really. And in this sort of cotton wool life that we live, you can't go mad very often, but you can on a roller coaster. You can't worry about your business. You can't worry about troubles at home. You just concentrate on the thrill of the roller coaster you're on.
Go where seagulls dare. Rather you than me, Mr. T. Mother, I don't feel well. Put the kettle on, I'm coming home.
quite amazing. You just think it's the end of the world, actually. You feel like a lemming about to dive off a cliff, actually. Just sheer down. Fantastic. Really is. And it really is breathtaking. Amazingly breathtaking. It really is. Here we're right next to other buildings and rides and attractions. And you're so near that you really do think you're flying, don't you?
I think it'll be remembered as the 20th century equivalent of Blackpool Tower, something that has been a major turning point in the attractions of the resort, and something that will continue to ensure that Blackpool is at the forefront in terms of visitors.